Chapter 1. Equations in Exile Part 1. The asteroid's rotation brought the harsh light of Proxima Centauri streaming through the viewport, casting long shadows across Torinval's cramped quarters. He squinted against the sudden brightness, setting down his stylus on the scattered papers covering his workstation. Kara, dim the viewport 70%. Adjusting viewport opacity, replied the AI's calm voice from the neural implant behind his right ear. Your cortisol levels are elevated, Dr. Val. May I recommend a brief meditation interval? Torin ran a hand through his unkempt hair. No time for that. How long until the next supply shuttle? Approximately 14 days, 7 hours. Your current rations are sufficient if managed properly. He sighed and turned back to his equations. Penal Asteroid Station 9 was the scientific community's version of Exile, a remote outpost orbiting Proxima B where brilliant minds who had crossed ethical lines were sent to continue their research under strict oversight. For Torin, it had been home for 3 years, 2 months, and 16 days. His transgression, developing quantum field manipulations that military contractors had repurposed for weapons systems before he could pull the research. By then, the damage was done. The Global Science Consortium offered him a choice: imprisonment or productive exile. He chose the latter. Kara, display simulation parameters for Series Q-37. The AI projected a holographic display above his desk, showing swirling quantum probability fields interacting in patterns that shifted and reformed with mathematical precision. You've been working on this equation for 73 consecutive hours, Kara noted. The pattern remains unsolvable under conventional quantum frameworks. That's what makes it interesting, Torin muttered, picking up his stylus again. It shouldn't be unsolvable. The math is elegant, too elegant to be wrong. His fingers traced complex symbols across the paper. He preferred physical notation for his deepest thinking, a quirk his colleagues had always found amusing. The equation was deceptively simple. A modified Schrödinger representation that suggested quantum states might temporarily exist in a superposition not just of positions or energies, but of fundamental cosmic constants themselves.